Hi guys, Daka's Passion Channel here, and today I'm gonna show you how add more glass shelves to your IKEA Detolf cabinet. I saw this manual on the web, so I want to share with you. Detolf cabinet made by IKEA is very famous because it has a reasonable price. It costs about 25 euros, but sometimes with a sale it costs less than 20 euros. Originally it has 3 glass shelves, but there's a lot of free space between them, so you can add another 4 glass shelves. So, what do you need? First of all, you need these wire rope clips. I use 6 mm wire rope clips, and if you want to add 4 extra glass shelves, you need 16 clips. Then you need 4 glass shelves. I use 4 mm thin, and the size is 355 on 295 millimeters. I also use these stick-on floor protectors to protect glass, and the shelves fit better with them. So, first of all, you must place wire rope clips on the construction in the middle of each free space between the shelves. I actually did it before I put it together. It's much more easier. Then put the stick-on protectors on vibro clips, and then put the glass shells on it. You can also measure a horizontal with a level. And that's all, guys. This cabinet from IKEA is really great for collectors, and with this little upgrade it's even better. I thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon.